Hello my kids, how are you all? I hope you all are safe, right? Yes? See, I hope you all are studying at home. Yes or no? See, you have to study, okay? Whatever ma'am is saying you have to learn at home, okay? You have to be very active, okay? You have to study, then only you will become a good boy and a good girl, okay? Don't waste your time in this situation, okay? I know you are not able to come to school, but yes, we teachers are helping you to study at home, right? So don't waste your time, okay? Don't waste your time. See our video and try to study at home, okay? Try to study at home, okay? Now see, I think you are bored, right? Every time studying, you might be bored, okay? Right? So see, you can dance also sometime, okay? You can dance also. You can relax your body by dancing, okay? Sometimes just do dancing also, okay? Don't play. Yes, sometimes play, sometimes you have to study, then dance. Dance is also very good for your health, so dance also, okay? Now see, before starting my topic, let's do one rhymes, okay? Let's do one rhymes, okay? You have to repeat after me, okay? Now hands up, down, up, down, hands up, down, up, down, up, down. Clap your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now again up, down, up, down. Okay, now see, we'll do one rhymes, okay? If you happy and you know, clap your hands. If you happy and you know, clap your hands. If you happy and you know, and you really want to show. If you happy and you know, clap your hands. Okay, you have to clap your hands. Repeat after me again. If you happy and you know, clap your hands. If you happy and you know, clap your hands. If you happy and you know, and you really want to show. If you happy and you know, clap your hands. Yes? Wow! See? Very nice. Say, oh yes! Oh yes! Oh yes! Oh yes! Up, down, up, down, up, dance. Clap your hands, clap your hands. Listen to the music. Clap your hands, clap your hands, clap your hands. Listen to the music. Clap your hands. Stamp your feet, stamp your feet. Listen to the music. Stamp your feet. Turn around, turn around. Listen to the music. Turn around, turn around, turn around. Listen to the music. Turn around. Jump up high, jump up high. Listen to the music. Jump up high, jump up high, jump up high. Listen to the music. Jump up high. Okay? See, clap your hands, clap your hands. Listen to the music. Clap your hands. Okay? You have to practice this rhymes. Clap your hands, turn around, and jump up high. This is action word, okay? Clap your hands, turn around, and jump up high. Okay? Okay, now see, your ma'am is again back with the new topic. I'm going to teach you subject EVS. Which subject? EVS. Yes, I hope you all have EVS book, right? So you don't have to do nothing. Just open your EVS book and just see the picture, and you have to identify and name them. Okay, you don't have to write. Just open your EVS book and see all the pictures. Okay, and you have to identify the pictures and name them. Okay, see, if for example, if I am showing you this picture, you have to identify these pictures and you have to name who is he. Okay, that is called identify pictures and name them. See, I am going to show you all the pictures. You have to identify the pictures and you have to name them. Okay, you have to name. Okay, that is one oral part for you. Okay, this is just a oral part. You don't have to write in your notebook. No, I will show you the pictures and you have to name the pictures. Okay, so you also can do at home. Just open your EVS book and see all the pictures and you have to identify pictures and you have to name them. Okay, so today we are going to learn identify pictures and name them. Okay, you have to identify the pictures and name them. Okay, see, suppose I am going to show the picture of this. So what is this? Which picture is this? This is rose. What is this? This is rose. Rose flower. Okay, this is called identify the pictures and name them. Okay, see. Now who I am? I am your teacher. Who I am? I am your teacher. And what is my name? See, I am one pictures. I am your teachers. And what is my name? I am your teacher. Okay, I am your teacher. And what is my name? Indira ma'am. So in this way you have to identify the pictures and you have to name the pictures. Okay, see, suppose what is this? Which picture is this? This is ice cream. No, this is ice cream. No, what is this? This is, what is this? This is carrot. What is this? This is the picture of carrot. And what is this? Carrot. See, you have seen the picture and you have named the picture. This is vegetable. What is this? This is vegetable. And but what is this? This is carrot. Carrot is a vegetable. Okay, now see. Okay, now see, which picture is this? What is this? What is this? This is train. Chuk 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 chuk. Rail gadi. Chuk chuk chuk. Train. What is this? This is train. This is the picture of train. What is this? This is train. Now see. What is this? This is bus. What is this? Bus. You have to identify the pictures and name them. Okay? Okay? You have to identify the pictures and name them. Okay, now what is this? This is bus. What is this? This is bus. Now what is this? This is train. What is this? This is train. See, I hope You might don't have this flashcard at home, right? So you can use your book of any book. You can use your English book, you can use your EVS book. Just turn the page and identify all the pictures and their names. Okay? Identify all the pictures and their name. Okay, now see, what is this? Policeman. What is this? Policeman. What is this? Who is he? He is a policeman. Who is he? Policeman. What is this? Who is she? Doctor. Who is she? Doctor. Who is she? Doctor. Now what is this? Rose flower. What is this? Rose flower. Rose flower. What is this? Rose flower. Okay. Now what is this? This is grapes. What is this? This is grapes. Okay. And what is this? This is watermelon. What is this? This is watermelon. What is this? This is watermelon. And what is this? This is grapes. What is this? Grapes. Now what is this? See, I told you now, you have to, ma'am will show you any picture. You have to identify the pictures and you have to name them. See, identify the pictures and name them. Your mama also can show you any picture. You have to identify the pictures and you have to name them. Your mama can show you. Your mama can show you anything. Your mama can show you this one. So you have to identify the pictures and you have to name. Okay? So what is this? Which picture is this? See, I have so many kites here. What is this? Kite. Which picture is this? Can you name this picture? Kite. What is this? Kite. Repeat after me. Which picture is this? This is kite. Can you identify this picture? What is this? Jug. Can you identify this picture? This is jug. What is this? This is jug. What is this? Which picture is this? Say brinjal. Which picture is this? Brinjal. Repeat after me. Which picture is this? Brinjal. What is this? Brinjal. Okay? What is this? Hat. What is this? Hat. Okay. And what is this? Mat. What is this? Which picture is this? Mat. Okay. See, your mom also can show you any picture. You have to identify and you have to name the picture. Okay. This is one suspend fun games, study games for you. Okay. Your mama can hide all the pictures and she will show you the pictures and you have to identify and name them. This is one funny study games. Okay. This is one funny study games which your mama can do at home. Okay. Tell your mama to take all the things, different things. Okay. And mama will hide you and you have to, mama will show you like this and you have to identify the pictures and their names. Okay. Now see, suppose, what is this? This is TV. No, then what is this? This is mobile. Okay. Now what is this? This is chalk. Okay. Now see here. What is this? Can you see? Can you identify this picture? What is this? This is bag. This is bag. What is this? This is bag. See, what is this? This is umbrella. What is this? This is umbrella. And what is this? Which picture is this? This is egg. What is this? This is egg. Now what is this? Can you identify this picture? What is this? It's a banana. What is this? Banana. What is this? Banana. What is this? Can you identify this picture? What is this? This is aeroplane. What is this? Aeroplane. What is this? Aeroplane. Which picture is this? Aeroplane. What is this? This is flower. What is this? This is flower. What is this? This is flower. What is this? This is tomato. What is this? This is tomato. What is this? This is tomato. Okay, this is tomato. Okay. See here, what is this? This is, can you identify this picture? This is fireman. Who is? This is fireman. What is this? Who is he? This is fireman. Fire station. Which picture? picture is this? This is fire station. Say fireman. Do you know what does fireman do? Whenever he sees a big fire arc, he come and stop the fire. Okay. Can you identify what is this? Which picture is this? This is mango? No ma'am. This is ice cream? No ma'am. Then what is this? This is shoes. What is this? This is shoes. See, I told you now. Today we are going. See, ma'am is showing you different pictures. You have to identify and you have to name them. Identify the pictures and name them. Ma'am, your mama also can show you anything. You have to identify the pictures and name them. Okay. See, what is this? This is shoes. Okay, I'll show you my shoes. Okay. See. This is, what is this? This is shoes. What is this? This is shoes. Okay. This is shoes. Okay. What is this? This is shoes. Okay. What is this? This is shoes. Okay. This is shoes. Okay. What is this? This is top. I hope you are playing top. Yes, Laddu. Top. What is this? This is top. What is this? This is top. Okay. What is this? This is top. Now what is this? This is sun. What is this? This is sun. What is this? This is sun. Okay, now see me. What is this? This is mother. You have to identify the pictures. Okay. Wow, who is she? Mother. Who is he? Mother. And who is he? Father. Who is he? Father. Father means Papa. Mother means Mama. Say mother. Who is she? Mother. Who is he? Father. Okay. Now what is this? This is watch. Ghadi. Watch. What is this? This is watch. You have to identify the picture. See, ma'am is showing you different picture. You have to identify the pictures and you have to name them. Okay. See, what is this? This is watch. Ghadi. See, as I told you, see, you don't have this flashcard at home, right? So use your English book, math book, Hindi book, EVS book and open the book and you have to identify all the pictures with name. Okay. Just open the book and see the pictures and you have to name them. Okay. You tell your mama, please give me EVS book, please give me English book. Open and identify all the pictures and then name them. Okay. Okay, now see, can you identify what is this? This is kitchen. See, mama cook foods in kitchen, right? So this is kitchen. See, you have to identify the pictures. आपको पिक्चर पहचानना है, ठीक है? You have to identify the picture. What is this? This is kitchen. What is this? This is kitchen. Your mama cook food in kitchen, right? Where does mama cook food? Kitchen. Okay. Wow, see, what is this? This is tea cup. Very hot tea. See? Tea. Okay, this is cup. Okay, what is this? This is cup. Very, very hot cup. Very, very hot tea. Okay, cup. Which picture is this? Cup. Now what is this? Which picture is this? Elephant. Which picture is this? Elephant. And what is this? This is rat. What is this? This is rat. And what is this? This is elephant. And this is rat. And what is this? This is fish. What is this? This is fish. Machli. Fish. What is this? Fish. What is this? This is camel. What is this? This is camel. What is this? This is camel. What is this? This is the picture of camel. Okay. What is this? This is car. What is this? This is car. What is this? This is car. And what is this? This is cycle. Bicycle. What is this? This is bicycle. And what is this? This is car. What is this? This is car. Can you identify these pictures? What is this? This is pen. What is this? This is pen. So, my dear student, in this way, you have to utilize your all book. Don't keep your book, okay? Just use your book just for identification of pictures and name them. Just read the book. You don't have to read the book, just you have to identify the pictures and we have to name them. Okay, you have to use your book for identify the pictures and name them. Okay, so that your mind will be very active. Okay, so that whenever somebody will ask you anything, you can then and then quickly you can answer them. Okay, that's why you have to know all the names. Okay, you have to identify all the pictures. Whenever your teacher will ask you what is this, then you will be easily can name the pictures. That is very good for your self. Okay, see, if you read all the book, it will be help you to identify the pictures and name them. Okay, see, today I have shown you many pictures. Yes, so in this way you can also do at home by using all the objects which you have at home. Like see, I have used my bag. What is this? This is bag, right? What is this? This is box. In this way, you have to identify the pictures. See, what is this? Mobile. What is this? Mobile. What is this? This is hanky. This is called identify the pictures and name them. You have to see the pictures and name them. This is hanky. What is this? This is hanky. What is this? This is marker. What is this? This is dupatta. Okay. What is this? This is bag. What is this? This is box. And what is this? This is color. What is this? This is color. What is this? This is mass. What is this? This is pen. What is this? This is pencil. See, in this way you have to identify. Okay, now tell me what is this? This is lipstick. See, you have identified the pictures and name. This is lipstick, right? See. And what is this? This is color. Yes. So in this way you have to read your book. Read your book means don't read the spelling K-I-T-C-H-E-N. No, you read the book means you have to read by identify the pictures and name them. You have to read book like this. Okay, just open your book, see the pictures, and you ask your mama, "Mama, what is this?" You have to open your book and say, "Mama, what is this?" Mama will say, "Kitchen." Again, mama asks mama, "Mama, what is this?" This is pen. Again, mama will ask you, "What is this, mama?" This is boy, brother. Okay. Say, "Mama, what is this?" Ask your mama. Mama will read your and say the picture's name. Mama will identify the pictures and mama will say the name. Okay. What is this? This is sunflower. This is sunflower? No. Which flower is this? Rose flower. Okay. In this way, you have to read your book. Okay. Bye bye. Thank you. Stay healthy. Stay safe and keep on sending your video. Okay. Thank you.